I'm down 7.6 pounds in just 4 days. But in order to keep my weigh-in days consistent on Saturdays, I decided to go ahead and step on the scale this morning. I was 293.4 pounds, which is almost an 8-pound drop in weight, and I haven't even started my workouts yet. I know this sounds like a lot of weight to lose in just a couple days, and I'm excited to see the number, but I do have to temper that excitement with the fact that most of this is just water weight. So this has to do with the fact that for every gram of carbohydrate that your body stores for energy, it also stores 3 to 4 grams of water. So when you start a strict low-carb diet like keto, your body starts dumping a lot of that water for the first week at least. But hey, look on the bright side, it helps you stay active because you are constantly running back and forth to the bathroom. So I'll be starting my workout routine this week. Also, I have my first big challenge coming up this next weekend. We'll be traveling for a family function. Traveling is always hard when you're trying to eat healthier. Add in a family that loves to eat, and it gets really interesting. So stay tuned.